Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the unboxing series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today we're going to be unboxing the Twin Star Home Cottonwood TV stand for TVs up to 60 inches with sliding barn doors. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because not only are you going to see exactly what you get upon opening the box, but we're also going to share with you our step-by-step assembly video showing you how to put it together, as well as our full and complete product review telling you everything there is to know about the TV stand. Real quick, make sure to like this video and subscribe to join our tribe. And so now, let's get straight into the unboxing. So this TV stand ships in a single large box. It weighs about 110 pounds, so it may take a couple of adults to move it. Here are some plastic corner protectors used as additional reinforcement. Here is a protective styrofoam sheet that pads the entire length of the top of the box. Here's the instruction manual that you can find taped to the corner of the box. Here's the wooden top panel, which is surprisingly heavy and feels high quality. Underneath may be a little dusty, as you can see here, so you definitely want to wipe that down before installing it. Here is a long protective cardboard sheet that is layered in between the top panel and other parts beneath it. Here is a protective polyfoam sheet also layered between parts to prevent them from shifting or damaging each other during shipping. Here's the left center panel with holes on both sides for the adjustable shelves, both in the middle of the TV stand and on the sides. They also have built-in plastic fasteners that lock to the top panel during the assembly, which is great because it's just one less step for you to complete during the assembly. Here is the right center panel. Here's the left side panel, which has holes on one side for the adjustable shelves and built-in brown plastic hardware at the top as well. The distinguishing feature on the side panels is the decorative molding that extends outward, sort of like a lip almost. Here's some more polyfoam sheet layered in between the panels for protection. And here's a quick look at one of the center shelves, which are adjustable. And each of the shelves has 3 different heights that you can place them on. Here are the styrofoam spacers that they use to keep the parts from moving during shipping. And here's the second adjustable center shelf. We'll stack this with the other one so that they're both ready and accessible for assembly. Here's the right side panel. It's a good idea to stack these 4 panels together, and they will be used during the same assembly step. Here are the 4 side shelves. Between each shelf is a thin sheet of polyfoam layered in between to prevent scratching. Here we have the pre-assembled guide rail that the sliding barn-style doors will roll on, and they have these thin styrofoam blocks tucked inside the rails to prevent anything from bending the metal. Before you begin the assembly, make sure there aren't any cracks in the wood or bends in the metal because it can affect how the sliding barn doors will function, at least to some degree. Installing it is pretty straightforward. However, getting the doors properly set on them can be a little tricky. But in our step-by-step instruction video, we show you how to do this properly so that you aren't screaming at your instruction manual the entire time. Here is the large styrofoam encasement with cutouts that are customized to tightly fit all the parts, layer by layer. As you can see here, the styrofoam case is taking the brunt of any force that could potentially damage the parts inside. Here is the bottom panel, which will be the base of the unit. As you get closer to the bottom of the box, you'll see a lot of styrofoam debris settling. These little bits are really good at hiding and can resurface months down the line, so make sure to wipe all parts thoroughly before you begin the assembly. Here is the center rear panel of the TV stand. It has 3 cable management holes that will allow you to tuck away cords at each shelf height and keep the area tidy. Here are the left side and right side rear panels. They each have 1 cable management hole that will be located towards the bottom of the shelves. Here is the first sliding barn style door. These rollers on this version are pre-installed, which is good news because it eliminates a step for you during the assembly. Here's the second sliding barn style door. The black tab at the bottom keeps the doors on their track. Here's the bag of hardware parts. The hardware parts are double bagged in this orange packaging. Inside, you will find the anti-tip kit and pre-labeled hardware parts for the TV stand. And for added protection, here are some cardboard edge protectors. All of the parts have been unboxed, so we can place the packaging back inside. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then please subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal of 1 million subscribers. If you want to learn how to put this item together, then there will be a link to our step-by-step video assembly guide either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to follow along. If you want to watch our full, detailed review of this item, then there will also be a link either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to learn more. And for other resources regarding this item and where to buy it, check below this video or in the description.